Hello there, and thank you so much for joining us. This is Tuesday's edition of Your Business Nigeria. Thank you for being there. These are the stories we are tracking for you at this time. All right, then we will start first by taking a look at the commodities market today. See what is playing like Africa's commodities market: gold, silver, copper, and platinum. We have gold back again, positive $3,031.60. Silver is $34.74, and for copper is $496.26. Platinum is $1,002.82 an ounce. This is positive 0.85%. Positive 1.32%, and this is up 0.07%. Platinum is down 0.13%. Corn, wheat, cocoa, cotton, $457.25, $569.75. Cocoa is $7,950. Well, not back to that $8,000 benchmark, which seems like the market is still dipping, but it's gradually coming back. It's 1.57% positive today. We see a lot of investment around that space. Cotton, $66.85, positive 0.19%, and corn is down 0.81%. Well, let's go to the global space now and start with global market figures today, where Hong Kong shares rose to a three-year high, led by Asian markets higher today. Investors turned positive on the outlook for China, cheering recent data promises to further support consumption in the world's largest economy. And now we see that the Hang Seng was up 0.2%, and its 23% year-to-date gain is easily the largest of any major markets. The upbeat mood is likely to continue in Europe, with futures pointing to a strong start. Eurostock 50 futures gained 0.35%. DAX futures rose 0.43%. Mainland shares made the modest gains, with MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares, which rose 1%. Marketing swell Sydney, AXJO, and Taipei also higher. Japan's Nikkei bounced 1.5%, putting it on course for its sharpest rise in 3 weeks. The outlier in the region was Indonesia, with Jakarta shares plunging about 7% to a 3.5-year low on worries over tit-for-tat tariffs, as well as the country's fiscal plans and growth outlook. Well, let's wrap this segment up with oil markets now. Crude oil prices rise as United States vow to keep attacking Houthis. It's higher. The instability in the Middle East, as well as China's plans for more economic stimulus, though global growth concerns, U.S. tariffs, and uncertainty over Ukraine ceasefire talks curbs gains. But U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude this afternoon is positive 0.60%, selling for $67.58 per barrel. Brent is up 0.58% to sell for $70.99 per barrel. And for Bonny Light, it is down $78.62, and it is selling for 2.84% down. OPEC basket is up $72.55 with a positive of 0.57%. Well, let's take you to our biggest topic for this afternoon: inflation for February 2025. Now, things are still looking pretty good in Nigeria, as the National Bureau of Statistics says headline inflation eased to 23.18% in February 2025. Well, you heard it right. This is what we had in October, 33.88, November, 34.60, and December was 34.80%, before the rebased GDP that we had in January 2025. Let's fast track to January and see what happened next. 24.48% is where we found ourselves after the rebased inflation figure. And yesterday, the NBS came up with its latest report saying Nigeria's inflation rate for February 2025 has declined to 23.18%. Clearly, something has happened here, and there's a decline of 1.30%, particularly with focus on food inflation. From the report, on a month-on-month basis, food inflation rate in February was 1.67%. That's according to that report, month-on-month basis. Food inflation rate year-on-year, 19.89%. Year-on-year urban inflation stood at 25.15%, marking an 8.51% decrease from 33.66% that we had in February 2024. Urban inflation here, 32.22%, 27.93% for 2024 February, comparing and contrasting what we've had before now.